Guys, I have two Louis Vuitton Kusama collaboration pieces to share with you. Actually, no, that's false. I have two bags, but it's one item that I purchased, but it came with some extra things that I had no idea it came with. And Becca, my sales associate, didn't even know it came with. I'll explain that to you in a minute. Oh, I'm excited to get into these. I haven't laid eyes on them at all. She already had them wrapped up for me when I got to the store today, so very excited. Can't wait. Stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community posts on your YouTube you get to see my community post on, yeah, that was right, your YouTube homepage. I got confused. Where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. Oh, can you tell I'm excited about this? All right, in the green bag, and by the way, this packaging is from the previous collection. I can't pick this one up. My fingers aren't working because the brain's not working right now. I have a whole video, let me put these down. I have a whole video talking about this current drop, which happened March 31st, 2023. So it is in stores now. It's available for purchase. I pre-ordered these from Becca. By the way, I'll have her information linked below, so if there's anything you'd like and you don't have your own associate already, please feel free to reach out to her. She will definitely help you if she can. So I pre-ordered these from her a while back when she sent me the information about them, because she knows I love a good artist collaboration. So I have a video that I will link below that's all about the pieces in the collection. It focuses on handbags and small goods. There's also jewelry and textiles and ready-to-wear and other things. It's a really huge drop, and I got to see quite a few pieces in person today at the store, and I'm so excited. I will tell you my favorite pieces are the Neverfull and the little Speedy 20, the Speedy 20. So cute. They look so good in person, and especially the Neverfull, because the interior, I'm gonna see if I can find a picture and put it here. Oh my god, it's beautiful. The colors are vibrant in person, and it has the pouch with the pumpkins on both sides. It's wonderful. Let's get into this bag and see what I got. And if you don't know the history of Louis Vuitton collaborating with Kusama, she's a Japanese artist. She's associated with a lot of the dot artwork that she did. She has mental illness that contributes to some of the dots, and it's all connected, and that's the whole history. There is not what I'm doing the video about, but they collaborated with her many years ago, I believe under Marc Jacobs, and I have one piece from that collection. Let me grab it. It's this, the little bag charm. It's on the Louis Vuitton monogram with the white dots, and it has a white background, and it has Kusama's signature on there with the regular Louis Vuitton stamp. I also want the yellow Neverfull from that collection, but I'm supposed to be saving money for Oregon right now. I shouldn't have purchased this, but I had to have it. At least I had one piece from this collection. Can't do anything else right now. Okay, I'm taking it out of the box. I'm doing a lot of talking here, and this is fun. If you haven't seen the inside of these, I'm just gonna pull my receipt out. So the bag here, but then it also has dots on the inside. How cool is that? And the tissue paper. Ooh, how pretty. Okay, so they did that original collaboration, and then at the end of last year, 2022, they dropped a new Kusama collection, which had a lot of these dots on it. That was one of the primary designs that they did, although they did a few designs. So this packaging, long story long, is still from that drop. They haven't received at my store yet any new packaging. So this is the box. It's a regular Louis Vuitton box, but it has the Kusama ribbon, and then it has this cardboard tag, which, let me see here, move that ribbon out of the way. It's a pumpkin, and then it says Louis Vuitton and Kusama, and it says 2023, and then it's just plain green on the back. And that's in silver writing. All right, let's slip the ribbon off. Becca told me not to untie it, so I'm not going to. And then let's open the magnetic box. And we have the Kusama tissue paper in here too. I'm so excited to see this. I can't wait. I know that I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. I'm gonna bring it closer to you to unwrap it. I mean, this kind of looks like clown paper though, doesn't it? But these dots aren't my favorite of her collection. Ah, it has a special dust bag. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. So yeah, they released the end of the year 2022 collection. Sorry, I'm all over the place. Now they're releasing this, which is part 2 of this new drop. And then they're supposed to release a part 3 in the fall. Becca said she hasn't seen anything from that yet. I haven't seen anything from it either. Very excited. Okay, what could be in here? Do you guys have any guesses? I bet you won't. I bet nobody would guess what this is because it's not a super popular piece that you're gonna see probably anybody else unboxing. Here. Ooh, it's a little bit tight. Let's see. Get a slow reveal. Oh, look at the colors together. They're so beautiful. This is a notebook cover. Let me open it up. This is from the men's line with the Monogram Eclipse. I think it's Monogram Eclipse reverse because the gray is the primary color. And actually it's 2 grays. I don't think the monogram itself is in black. But there it is with those pumpkins. Now, on a lot of the pieces, they'll have these blue, green, purple pumpkins on one side, and then you turn the piece over, like on the Neverfull, they'll have this on one side, and you turn it around, and it has red and orange colored pumpkins on the other side. One of the things I liked about this is that it only has the blue, green, purples, the cool colors, because those are my favorite. And then on the inside, it looks like this. I'll show you some details of that in just a second. And I just pulled the tags out, so I'll show you that as well. It's not like the desk agenda where it has spaces to put cards and pockets and all that. It only has these 2 slips here. And I need to go grab my desk agenda and do just a very quick comparison for those of you who are into planners and notebook covers. So on this side, which would be the back side, it's stamped Made in France, and that's in silver. And then on this side, it has that Kusama and Louis Vuitton 2023 pumpkin stamp, which I just love. That makes it so special. So I'm gonna grab my desk agenda, super quick comparison of just the size of it, and then we'll open what's in the other bag to see what came with this. Okay, I'm back. I have 2 desk agendas from Louis Vuitton. One is in Damier Ebene, and one is Damier Graphite. And since these colors are closer together, I will compare these 2. And by the way, the tags. The materials tag says that the exterior is coated canvas, which we already knew, and the interior is cowhide. And then here is this tag. It says it's the Couve Carnet. The YK up here is for Kusama. Yayoi Kusama, it's her initials. And then violet is the colorway. This is beautiful. I love it so much. Just gave it a quick look over for the first time. It's gorgeous. It's everything I hoped it would be. Everything I dreamed it would be. All right, very quick size comparison here to the desk agenda. This notebook cover is smaller. So you can see, if I hold it in front of my green shirt, I have the bases lined up, and this one's not quite as tall as the other one. I'll have to give you measurements. It's not quite as deep as well. I'm gonna bring it closer again. So it's a little bit shorter here and a little bit shorter on the top, as you can see. I'll give you measurements. And I will put a notebook in here to try that out and see what fits. When you open the desk agenda, you have pockets on the front and you have some card slots and one pocket on the back. And I'm able to fit 2 notebooks, one in the front, one in the back. And that works really well. It's thick, it's not tight. There's plenty of room in here. These are A5 notebooks and there's room to spare. My understanding is this should fit an A5 notebook, but it'll be pretty tight. When I open up the desk agenda like this, it measures 14.25 inches across and almost 9.25 inches tall. When I open the desk agenda all the way like this, it measures 14.75 inches across and almost 9.25 inches tall. That's almost 23.5 centimeters tall. I wanted to give you centimeters because if you're looking for a notebook for this one, we need to be more accurate since it's smaller. This notebook cover is just under 13 inches across and just over 8.5 inches high. It's exactly 33 centimeters by 22 centimeters. And now let's see what came in this bag. Some extras that came specifically with this notebook. And by the way, if you want a piece from this collection, but you don't want to spend handbag money, because we know how much the prices are right now, they're so high, and a lot of people are trying not to spend a lot right now, this is a great piece. It's relatively inexpensive. I want to say it was around $700 something. maybe $7.35. So compared to the handbag prices, a lot less expensive, and you still get a piece from the collection, and it's a beautiful piece and it's a useful piece. Okay, seriously, let's see what's in here now. We have more of the dotted tissue paper, which I'm throwing over there, and there's an item wrapped up in here. All right, let's open this up, and we have a little book. So this isn't what I thought it was going to be. I picked up the notebook cover from Becca, and then I went to have lunch at a restaurant in the Galleria and get some work done. And she texted me and asked me if I was still in the mall, and I said yes. And she said, there's a book that comes with your piece that I didn't know about, so if you want to come by and get it, you can do that. So I did, and she wrapped it up for me so nice. So I was thinking, oh, maybe it's a notebook to go in here. That's not what this is. Let's check it out. There's the cover and the back cover. And we're not going to go through this page by page, but it says Creating Infinity, which is Kusama's Infinity Dots, and the worlds of Louis Vuitton and Yayoi Kusama. And then it's basically a catalog of some of the pieces, maybe all of the pieces in the collection from this current drop. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's nice. Were those stickers? She said something about stickers. Hold on. Yes, they are. Oh, that bag is so pretty. Love it. These are stickers. What? Oh, that's exciting. These are also stickers. I'm less excited about that. I love the pumpkin stickers. Those are going to go in my planners. I will definitely use them. Oh, that bag is nice. This one, I wanted that. That's the Keep All in the extra small size from the men's line. Oh, love it. There are the other bigger Keep Alls. So that's the orange pumpkins I was talking about. This is from the first drop in 2022. That's gorgeous. And then that infamous design. This, by the way, is some kind of fabric. It's 3D, the face. It's like a patch. And then, where's the fish? When you come across the fish, too, on a bag, or at least on the Neverfull and some shoes that Becca showed me, the fish was the same, where it was like a patch. Nice, that's a fun keepsake. Okay, this notebook here is a Stalogy A5, and I have a clear cover on it right now. I'm gonna take that out of the cover, and it normally has just a black cover. I took the wrapping paper from a gift that Dale in Australia sent me, Dale's Addiction, because it was such pretty paper, and I covered the notebook in that. And what I'm hoping is that this A5 notebook, which is what I use to do my YouTube planning, will fit in here. So let's find out, because this is true A5, and the cover is the same size as the pages, so it shouldn't have to be trimmed. Oh boy, let's see. It fits, but it is very tight. So you see it is edge to edge right there. Now with this particular notebook, I do want to keep it in the clear cover because I want to see that beautiful wrapping paper. So I will order a new one just for this notebook if it fits. Oh man, it is so tight. I'm really having to force it in there. It's difficult getting it in here. I think it still needs to go in a little more on each side, but it does kind of fit. See, it's a little wonky there because I don't have it in all the way because it's very difficult, but it does fit without having to trim the notebook. Wow, it was equally difficult getting that back out. Very, very tight. I have two other notebooks to try. One is this. This is Louis Vuitton's notebook refill, and they do sell this on the Louis Vuitton website, although it's not always available, like so many things. One of my very lovely subscribers gifted this to me, so thank you to them. This fits much easier because it's a smaller notebook. It's not A5 size. So I'll open it up and show you like that. So if you look here, there's much more room on the sides, and that's how it looks all together in there. There's quite a bit of space on the top and bottom. I would say that's really probably too small. And as difficult as this Stalogy was, I don't know that I would want to use an A5 notebook in there. That was a real pain. I also have this. This is from Erin Condren, but this is not something you can readily buy. I got it in a subscription box with them. And it is just ever so slightly smaller than the A5. So I'll try this, but now I'm not hopeful. Okay, that's gonna be the same kind of thing where it's super tight. But if I could get the covers in, it would work. But it's also a thin notebook. The thickness of the Stalogy works really well in here. You see? That compared to that. So the Stalogy is almost twice as thick. You could potentially put 2 notebooks inside here too, just like I do in the desk agenda. One in the front and one in the back. That would work. The only thing about it is that the pockets that hold the notebook covers on the front and back aren't, this is a lot to hold, aren't very deep on the smaller cover. So on the desk agenda, you have the entire front cover to slip the front of your notebook into. And on the back on the desk agenda, it's smaller, but it's still a little more than half. Whereas here it's less than half on the front and the back. So that is what I got from Louis Vuitton. I think I'm going to have to do a little searching to find the right notebook for it. But I will find it, and I will use it, and I will love it, as I do already. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.